Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can create a text wipe video effect on CapCut PC. Add in a video of like someone walking or you walking and add in the text on top of that. Then I'm just going to type in remove. You can type in anything you want, of course. I'm also going to color it another color. Copy and paste your video, place it on top, remove background and select auto removal. And make sure the text is like where the person is as well as the size. Right click on the text, create compound clip. And then here I'm just going to start adding a keyframe and mask. So select the horizontal one and rotate it this way and add a keyframe here. You're going to then go frame by frame to wipe the text like so. Like that. And it's going to wipe the text as the person is walking. Like that. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.